Now I'm going to show you a small activity for ascending order. As we have already learned, ascending order is from small to big or from down to top. So our topic now is ascending order. So Ram wanted to go up to his house which was on the first floor. And then he wanted to climb up a loft in his house. So the loft was high. So he was wondering what to do. So he thought he'll place a table and stand on the table. But still he could not reach the loft. So he went and he bought a small ladder. So he placed the ladder against the wall and Ram climbed up one step at a time. So he went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and he reached the top of the loft in his house. So by using this ladder you can go up. So as I've told you, ascending order is from bottom to top, that is from small to big. So now today we are going to do ascending order of the numbers 21 to 30. So I'll just write the numbers. So I have these numbers 28, 21, 30, 22, 27. So I have to place these numbers according to its ascending order, that is from the smallest number to the biggest number. So by looking at these 5 numbers, I have to find out which is the smallest number. So 28, 21, 30, 22, 27. So I found out that number 21 is the smallest number. So I will write number 21. Now I have to find out among these 4 numbers 28, 30, 22, 27. So among these 4 numbers, which is the smallest number? So I found that 22 is the smallest number. So I write number 22. Now I have 3 numbers left with me, that is 28, 30 and 27. So let us find out which is the smallest number among these 3. So now I came to know that 27 is the smallest among these 3 numbers. So I am writing number 27. And the next 2 numbers is 28 and 30. So between these 2 numbers, 28 is the smaller number. So I write 28. And the last number is number 30. So now I've placed these 5 numbers in its ascending order, that is from the smallest number to the biggest number. So I have 21, 22, 27, 28 and 30. So are you ready to do another example so that we will place these numbers in its ascending order? So the next 5 numbers. So we have 29, 26, 25, 22 and 24. So they have given me these 5 numbers and I am supposed to place them in its ascending order, that is from the smallest number to the biggest number. So I have 29, 26, 25, 22, 24. So let us find out which is the smallest number. So 22 is the smallest number. So I write number 22. Then I take the remaining 4 numbers, that is 29, 26, 25, 24. And among these 4 numbers, which is the smallest number? So number 24 is the smallest number. Then I have 3 more numbers, that is 29, 26 and 25. So let us see which is the smallest number among these 3. So 25 is the smallest number. And we have the last 2 numbers, that is 29 and 26. So between these 2 numbers, 26 is a smaller number. So I write number 26 and I have number 29 left. So now I have placed these numbers in its ascending order. That is 22, 24, 25, 26 and 29. So now I hope you have understood the ascending order. Ascending order is nothing but from small to big. That is from bottom to top. We have to go higher. This is known as your ascending order.